Bridgeview, Illinois, around 11 p.m.
Is anyone there? I'm sorry, I just needed to use the phone for a second. If there was anybody that had a landline phone inside, my phone died. And I'm kind of stranded.
This lady shows up asking to use a landline, not a cell phone. Now that's a little unusual. Wayne, New Jersey, around 4 in the morning, this group tries to break into the house. If you're enjoying the clips, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and keeps the community aware of what's going on out there. But the homeowner spooks them, and they scatter real quick. Chicago, Illinois, close to 11 p.m. This guy rang the doorbell multiple times before this footage.
Hello? Please call the police, 911. 911.
And later started throwing rocks, causing damage to the property and even the neighbor's place. Police were called and a report was filed. If anyone recognizes him, please report it. Bridgeview, Illinois. This guy didn't even bother ringing the doorbell. He just tried to run straight inside. Thankfully, the dog said absolutely not and scared him clean off the property. Minneapolis, Minnesota.
All the words I just said? What do you mean? Risking my life all day, every day for nothing.
5 a.m. and this lady is back on the porch. Same one who showed up a few months ago. At this hour? Yeah, that's not a good look.
So harassing me all types of sister, Sino, everybody, fam. All the people he know. None of them don't know nobody out here, fam. Man, it's just getting annoying and tired. I already got to talk to an investigator about the record. I'm steady on talk to somebody. I'm pressing charges. Anybody want to be out here around dirty? What do you mean? I'm going to get on this bus, or I'm going to get on this train. I'm going to get on this bus, or I'm going to get on this train.
Newark, New Jersey. This duo showed up prepared for a break-in, tools and all. Honestly, over the last few years, folks like this have been getting way too bold. They put in a whole lot of effort, but in the end, they gave up and ran off. Memphis, Tennessee. Just as he's about to leave for work, someone approaches and makes a serious threat, demanding money. Scary stuff. Catasauqua, Pennsylvania. After dark, you start seeing way too many late-night wanderers creeping around people's property. Not gonna lie, clips like this make you think twice about stepping outside at night. Stay aware out there, folks.
What? Open door.
Winnow, Maryland. This woman shows up claiming there was some mix-up with a GoFo delivery from October 6th.
So, is this package not mine that you have?
Takes photos of the door with the package in her hand, and then doesn't even leave it. Lexington, Kentucky. This one didn't even hesitate. Straight to the package and grabs it with his mouth. Not gonna lie, it's kind of funny, but lately I've been seeing a lot of dogs pulling this move. Are owners actually teaching this, or are these pups just freelancing? Let me know in the comments. Lexington, Kentucky. Yeah, this one's a little unsettling. Just imagine, you're inside, having a normal night with your family, and someone's out there watching. Yeah, that'll make your skin crawl real quick. Paterson, New Jersey. These days, thieves are getting way too bold. Not just packages, now they're grabbing anything left outside. Even a whole chair. If it's not bolted down, they're treating it like free pickup. Garden City, Michigan. Look at this picky porch pirate. He grabs the package, reads the label, realizes it's just office slippers and puts it right back. I mean, wow, just wow. Farmington, Michigan. Who is this woman? She walks onto the porch, opens the bench drawer like she lives there, then just leaves. She's honestly lucky the homeowner was napping, because that could have gone very differently. Detroit, Michigan. This is the second time the homeowners caught this same guy on the property.
What are you doing in my backyard?
You need to leave. You need to get out of here.
Hello, I can see you through my camera.
Report's already been filed with police, and yeah, looks like he was probably eyeing the car.
Hey, get out of here.
Nice try, buddy. Never gonna get it.
Get out of here.
Chicago, Illinois, around midnight. This duo pulls up and ditches what looks like a stolen car. Very possible they used it for something else and thought abandoning it here would keep them in the clear. Problem is, cameras are everywhere these days. Westchester, Illinois. Check out the Envelope Explorer over here. Yeah, keep an eye on your mail, folks. Bridgeview, Illinois. I don't know why, but some people really think it's funny to vandalize someone else's property for no reason. Western Springs, Illinois. Check out another Miss Midnight grab. She picks up the package, gives it the once-over, and apparently decides, nah, not worth it, puts it back and hustles off the scene. Selective shopping at its finest. Justice, Illinois, around midnight. This stranger's knocking on the door, claiming police told him to bring an ID to this house.
How can I help you?
Yeah, you speak Spanish?
Sí.
Okay, tengo una identidad, la policía me mandó a mandarla para esta dirección.
¿Perdón? ¿Qué dijiste?
Un ID, tengo un ID con el nombre de González Jocelyn.
Estás en la casa incorrecta.
¿Casa incorrecta?
Sí.
Okay, disculpe, muchas gracias. Buenas noches.
Igual.
Yeah, nice try, buddy. Most folks know that's not how police handle things. Bridgeview, Illinois. This one's pretty tricky. Guy shows up, rings the doorbell, then suddenly lays down on the porch like he's in serious pain. Now, the homeowner believes it was a setup to steal the package that was outside. But on this footage, we don't clearly see that part.
Hello?
Oh.
Hello?
Hello?
So what do y'all think? legit medical issue, or something more calculated going on? Let me know in the comments.
What do you need?
Ma'am?
What do you need?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Oh, I'm right here by your, oh, God. Over here by your neighbor, thing that they started shooting, sir. Oh, oh.
St. Paul, Minnesota. This group didn't even hesitate, walked right up and grabbed both the big package and the small one. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Folks, I get it. You come home late, you're tired, you just want to get inside and crash. But that's exactly when these people take advantage. One unlocked car, and they'll clean it out fast. Quick reminder, always lock your doors, even when it's sitting in your own driveway. Minneapolis, Minnesota. And this one's a serious reminder. Homeowner left the front door unlocked, and this guy literally walked inside and stayed there until morning. That could have gone very wrong. Never, ever leave your door open, folks. Minneapolis, Minnesota. This delivery woman shows up to drop off a package, but then starts going through the mailbox. Ma'am, your job is to deliver the package, not collect the mail. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Does anybody know this girl? She walks up, tries the door handle, then starts going through the mailbox. Homeowner has no idea who she is or what she was doing there. If you recognize her, speak up. Minneapolis, Minnesota, around 3 a.m., this woman is lingering on the front porch, going through belongings like she's deciding what's worth taking. She comes back multiple times, even peeks through the window, and doesn't seem bothered by the dog barking at all. Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Get out of there right now.
Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Spraying them. I don't have to.
Minneapolis, Minnesota. Shirtless guy walks up and tries the door handle. Yeah, not exactly subtle.
Please don't do this. Please don't do this. I need to do
Minneapolis, Minnesota. I don't know why some people think it's okay to just walk up and check every door, front door, side door, even the garage. That's exactly why I keep saying, lock every door, folks, because all it takes is one being left open. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Around 3 a.m., whole body language is screaming he's not there for a good reason. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Now this one's got people scratching their heads. These two men show up looking official, almost like naval officers, but something about the timing and the visit just feels off. No nearby car late at night. Yeah, questions all around. One viewer even pointed out there's no active duty Marine base in Minnesota, and visits like this usually don't happen that late anyway. So what do y'all think? Legit business or something that doesn't quite add up?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Minneapolis, Minnesota. Another late night creeper just knocks on the door and casually walks away, Like, what was the plan there? Knock and ghost? Yeah, nothing about that feels normal.